This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Skadec builds and tests two 1.5 megawatt air-cooled R290 chillers designed for large-scale HVAC or industrial processing applications. By J. O. Haraldson. Published July 7, 2025. Germany-based hydrocarbon chiller and heat pump manufacturer Skadec has built and tested two 1.5 megawatt, 426.5 tons refrigeration, air-cooled propane chillers designed for large-scale HVAC or industrial processing applications. The manufacturer developed its largest yet propane chiller at a customer's request. Nicholas Pielens, international sales manager at Skadec, told naturalrefrigerants.com. To meet higher cooling capacity requirements. The design of the 1.5 megawatt unit allows the connection of several chillers, with the tested units providing a total cooling capacity of 3 megawatts, 853 tons of refrigeration. It provides outlet cooling temperatures of 6/12 degrees Celsius, 42.8 degrees Fahrenheit, and incorporates an integrated hydraulic module evaporator and heat recovery. We can provide large cooling capacity solutions using highly efficient R290 chillers, Pielens said, adding that the testing took place at the company's facility in high ambient temperatures with great success. A complete package. In addition to cooling, the unit uses full condensation heat recovery, which provides a heating capacity of 1.9 megawatts, 540.3 tons of refrigeration, at 35-45 degrees Celsius, 95-113 degrees Fahrenheit, according to Pielens. The chiller contains two circuits, each charged with 140 kilograms of propane. In the current project, the recovered heat will be used for process applications and as a source for a booster heat pump, Pielens explained. We are always moving forward and broadening our cooling and heating solutions, said Pielens. This is just the beginning of massive projects. Smaller end. The manufacturer debuted a modular, compact, reversible R290 water-cooled heat pump for commercial and industrial applications at the ISH 2025 trade show held March 17th to 21st in Frankfurt. With a propane charge of less than 2.5 kilograms, the unit provides a heating capacity of up to 87 kilowatts, 24.7 tons of refrigeration, with an outlet temperature of up to 75 degrees Celsius, 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Dennis Kratchmeyer, Skadec's managing director, told naturalrefrigerants.com. Skadec plans to conduct several months of testing before releasing the new water-cooled unit to the European market. Quotable. This cutting-edge system showcases our engineering strength and commitment to sustainable, high-efficiency cooling, Skadec said on LinkedIn. This is more than just about size. It reflects our dedication to innovation, precision, and progress.